start with the name of Almighty Allah, Great God, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Peace and blessing be upon all viewers. Our today video is about Supernature website. Here is the URL of Supernature website, which is supernature6666.ml. It's a video blog website. This is my video blog website, and this is actually your website. In this website, I focus on 16 categories of posts or blogs, which has 8 spiritual subjects and 8 technical subjects. That's also mentioned on footer 2. In it we have services for you: dream interpretation, Geomancy, Al-Ramal, lifetime revive. We also have store and shopping, Supernature store, Amazon Superstore on it. Just click. So be with me in this video. You all will learn a lot and get lots of benefits. After every 3 days, you will get a new video blog. This is main static page with home logo. Pages start with Almighty Allah, Great God page. So click on it and visit. So this is very first page for Almighty Allah, Great God page. Almighty Allah, the only one, nothing resembles Great God, nothing in this world like God, nothing similar to God is in this world. In this world and in entire universe, according to Holy Quran, but God's self matches with 3 things: with the light, especially with huge great candle; fire, the fire that does not touch the fire, a fire that is not a fire; love like more than 80 mothers love; 3 special attributes and quality: Jalal, Jamal and Kamal. Every moment Great God has a new glory and grace. So visit and read it by yourself. Next one is home page. Just click on it. In this home page, I mention the largest free spiritual resource site for seeker and as well various other subjects. It is a video blog website, however, in addition with images, paragraph and paraphrases. So visit it and read. Next one is About Us page. So here it's About Us page. In it I mention why Supernature exists. There are many ways to do business online, but there is only one way that is in your best interest. We focus on you and your people to sound lifetime decision of mentoring and empowering spirituality and skills. How we are different. You might be able to find a spiritual service provider that can do 1, maybe 2 of these, But we are the only company that delivers on all 9: geomancy, numerology, healing, nutrition, yoga and fitness, herb, technology, Qurani wazaif, magic protection, and of these unique. So visit and read rest one by yourself. Privacy policy, click on it. It's a privacy policy page. Your privacy is important to us. As such, we will not sell, distribute, or share your personal information with anyone. Any information provided to us during the sequence of business will remain confidential, and so please read it. Services, just click on it. So here it's a service page, and we have 3 services for you. Dream interpretation for $1, Geomancy Al-Ramal $5, Lifetime Revive $7. First, dream interpretation. It's a dream interpretation page. God has cared for us, and so we see dreams. Please fill out this form. Your name required. What is your date of birth? Your email required. Subject of dream, your dream. When you saw this dream, please enter the moon date of this night. Please enter time of date. Early in the morning, early at night, midnight, when woke up, or I forgot. What was your sleeping condition? Straight, right side, left side, I forgot. What was the day when you were awake? Sunday up to Saturday. Then click on this send button. Here are some fields required, mandatory, and some are optional. So click on next service page, Geomancy Al-Ramal. It's a Geomancy Al-Ramal page. Ask what to ask. Ask only one question or just ask about one matter. Please fill out this form. Your name required. Your email required. Subject of query, your question. And press send. Here are also some fields required, mandatory, and some are optional. The more accurate information you provide to us, the better you will get result. Now the third service, Lifetime Revive. Here's the Lifetime Revive page. Please visit and read in details. With the help of all these 9 spiritual tools, we will make your lifetime revive. Geomancy, numerology, astrology, horoscopy, face reading, palmistry, childhood dreams, mole's full name. We need your following personal information: date of birth, place of birth, day of birth, and time of birth. We need your passport size picture, your childhood dreams, moles on your body, sketch of your hand, your full name. Please fill out this form. Your full name required, your email required. Here are some fields required or mandatory, and some are optional. But please keep in your mind that the more accurate information you provide, the better you will get result. What is your date of birth? What is your place of birth? What is your day of birth? What is your time of birth? Moles on your body, your childhood dreams. We need your picture. Choose, click on here and choose a file. And we need your hand sketch. Choose a file from your computer of your hand sketch, and so. Next one is guide page. Here I have some categories, details, pages. Please visit and check guide for inner guidance revel. Boost your blessed manifestation power with nature guide. As we humans have been created from these 5 natural elements: earth, water, air, fire and spirit. So discover how each of natural element. Please visit and read it by yourself. The next one is spirituality. Spirituality for me is the relationship point between Almighty Great God and us. Our all senses, including 5 senses plus 6 senses, leading us towards 7 senses, which actually spirituality is. Please visit and read it by yourself. And next one is numerology, ilmul adat. Numerology, ilmul adat, science of numbers. I just write over here the basic. According to the Holy Book Quran and Bible, Almighty Allah, Great God, created the entire universe in 6 days, and 7th was of rest. But then how did 8 and 9 become? So please read. Abjad system, alphabetic system, Al-Jafar, what is numerology, life path number, your personal year and so. Next one is fitness and yoga. It's a fitness and yoga page. Nowadays, yoga is a group of physical, mental and spiritual practice or disciplines which originated in ancient India. But for me, please visit and read it. But for me, yoga is a part of spirituality but not exercise. For instance, just like a Muslim often pray for 5 times every day, and some people consider it as exercise. Its original type is the spiritual yoga. Yes, spiritual yoga. I did not create this type of spiritual yoga, but it already exists. This is one of the oldest prayers. So please visit and read it. So next one is healing. It's a healing science page. Healing that considers the whole person, body, mind, spirit and emotion in the mission for finest health and wellness. Healing, the natural process of regeneration of damaged tissue. So please read, visit and read it. Next one is natural herb. It's a natural herb page. Herb has spiritual, magical, cooking and medicinal properties. Herbs are very powerful as we could not imagine. In general use, herbs are plants with spicy and please visit and read by yourself. Next one is Hikmat Herb Formula. In Hikmat Herb Formula, Luqman Hakim, little bit details about him, Hikmat Islamic culture, Tibbu Nabi, prophetic medicine, Please visit and read. Recipe and meal plans. It's a recipe and meal plans page. On this website, we will share with you royal food recipe and meal plan for most diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, heart patient, cancer, anxiety, acidity, asthma and so. So please visit it. Next one is Qurani Nurani Wazaif. It's a Qurani Nurani Wazaif page. We have for you in this website special section of spiritual healing with great God name and Qurani Nurani Wazaif. All these Wazaif are very useful and effective and have solution for your issues and problems. So please visit and read it. Black magic protection. It's a black magic protection page. People have been doing black magic for centuries. Either black magic or just magic are forbidden in Islam. But nowadays there are magicians and amil on every street and corner of Pakistan and in the world. So please read it. Burn the shaitan. Next is runes and harufe tahajji. It's a runes and harufe tahajji page. As I told earlier that all the signs human get from great God, either digits, alphabet, runes, symbols or sound, all have spiritual characteristics and mystic or miracle properties. Geomancy and numerology, angel Gabriel taught to Adam. Please read and visit. It's a skill blog. Please visit and check. We have here 8 categories: nutrition, natural herb, hikmat herb formula, recipe and meal plans, how to, IT tutorials, WordPress, YouTube tutorials. Just check one, IT tutorials. For instance, I check one IT tutorials category in it, upload Facebook video, Google Chrome new incognito window, scam website, how to recognize, how to convert video monetization for YouTube, for Facebook, YouTube channel tips and so like this. And we have spiritual blog or spiritual post. Supernature is a video blog website. Please visit and read by yourself. Here we check only one category, for instance, so check spiritual. On spiritual we have following videos, so please check, visit and check. Next is store and shopping. Just click on it's a store and shopping for you. Bags, leather bags, fitness, yoga, herbs, next is Amazon Superstore, latest mobile, cell phones, latest laptop, latest PlayStations, diamond ring, furniture, kitchen items and shoes. Then Supernature store. Just click. It's a Supernature store, mainly herb store. We have for you natural herb, natural healing herb, healing stones, herbal oils, medicinal herb, removing and reversing magical herbs. So we are working on this. So last one on top menu bar is contact us form. Just click on it. Contact us form, basic instruction. I am very busy. This is free service form, so please only contact with me if it will be very necessary. Or however, if you are very oppressed, then you are most welcome. Please also do not mind about time. When I have time, you will get an answer. Please fill out this form. This is our Supernature email address and it's our Islamabad address. So in the end, I will let you know about this page, main static page. Let's so visit. This is a static page. Over here a banner, advertisement. Here's latest post information or blog information. This is our top menu bar. This is a video on Nowruz, which will come on 19 March this year. Here's a slides, show slides, feature slides, health category and their post, their healing spiritual post. It's a sidebar, right sidebar. Over here some video posts as well. Subscribe our YouTube channel, advertisement, like us on Facebook page and Hikmat Hub formula. Here's one video. Then here banner, ads banner. Here's dream interpretation category, post, latest 3 posts, services, and then here a footer. I wrote here about Supernature details channel and this website. It's a blog or post categories I described already: spiritual blog and skill blog, store and shopping, and services. It's a channel introduction, YouTube channel introduction. There's also a advertisement, and here's a visitor counter. I just launched this website yesterday at this time, and I have 1371 visitors. So please visit this website, and if you need any of this service, please fill up the form and write to us. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and share this video. God bless you. Along with new videos soon we will visit you again. Take care and bye.